to Softhealer technology. Today we will show you how to easily connect your Odoo system with Xero using Softhealer Xero Connector module. Click on Xero configuration. We need to add your client ID and client secret. For this, we need to generate API credential from Xero. Go to the Xero developer account and log in with your account. Then click new app, enter the application name, select integration type as a web app, for AI model we select no, and Xero security requirements select yes. You will need to add your company URL and redirect URL. Company URL, you need to add base URL here, and for redirect URL you do automatically generate redirect URL. So copy this redirect URL and paste here. Click the create app. Go to the configuration. Here you can see client ID. Copy this client ID and paste client ID in Odoo. Client ID field, generate a secret, copy the secret key and paste into the Odoo client secret key, and then click on the connect to Xero button. It will redirect you to Xero. To authorize, click allow access button. Here you can see successfully authorized. Thank you for watching.